So here in the first way, we need to use text to column where we will change all the text dates into a real date so that we can compare it and to see which dates and which tasks started in 2022. So how to do that? First we will select the dates which we want to change, then we go text to column, then next. Here you see the date. So we want this format, which is day, month, and year. Then we will put finish. Now, as you can see, they starting from the right side, which means they are dates or numbers, because Excel understands dates as a number. Now we can use filter function to filter out the tasks that started in 2022. We will do equal filter. Then we will use year function so we can extract the year from here. And we need in 2022, sorry, which is equal to 2022. Here we need to change only the formatting now. We will go home. Here we will press and go to date. That's it.